Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have power and pairing cleared. Act now. Make sure the case and earbuds show charging. This prevents interruptions. Once done, keep the lid open, then press and hold both earbuds touch/physical buttons simultaneously for about 10 seconds until the LED changes state. This forces a local reset on the earbuds. Do not release early. Hold steadily so the internal memory clears pairing data. When the lights flash as described, the initial reset step is complete and you're ready for the core process. Once the local reset occurred, go to each device you previously paired and choose Forget or Remove for WF-SP800, and so no automatic reconnection interrupts pairing. Make sure Bluetooth is turned off on other nearby devices while you repair. If your phone still won't see the buds, repeat the press and hold reset sequence until the LED behavior matches the manual. Cleared and ready. Then open the charging case near your phone. Follow the Sony Headphones Connect prompts to complete pairing and apply any firmware updates. After pairing, play audio to verify left and right channels and make sure features like noise cancellation respond. If connection drops or one side is silent, update firmware through the Sony Headphones Connect app. Updates often fix stability issues. If you still have trouble, fully charge case and earbuds, then repeat the reset and pairing steps while using a different smartphone to rule out host device issues. One key tip: if the earbuds reconnect to an old device, remove them from that device's Bluetooth list before repeating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.